Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan saya Fitri Widiantoro. Kepada teman saya yang request suruh bikinkan P2H nya Excavator Cat 390, saya bikinkan ini bro. Yang pengen tahu letak dimana ngecek oli engine, dimana ngecek radiator, dimana ngecek hidrolik, dimana ngecek oli swing, saya tunjukkan bro. Oke. Nih. Untuk mengecek oli engine ini dibuka. Baru ini dibuka. Tarik ya. Dulu ini dibuka dulu. Buka. Angkat ke atas. Wih, berat, bro. Nih, setik oli engine di sini. Ya, untuk P390 ya. Di sebelah sini. Tutup lagi. Kan. Oke. Kita taruh dulu kameranya. Nah dulu nih ya. Kan dulu ya, tutup. Kamu lo biasa mancal 1200 390 kok enggak tahu. Nih tak buktikan. Lagi. Nah, ini untuk radiator. Ini ngecek radiatornya di sini. Nah, ini dibuka ya. Kalau nggak dilihat aja, itu kelihatan itu airnya kurang apa tidak di sini ya. Kalau ngecek oli motor swingnya, dia naik dari sebelah kanan. Ada dua versi, yang satu di depan, yang satunya lagi di belakang. Yang di belakang di sini tuh yang di belakang. Jadi ada dua tempat ya ngecek motor swing ya. Satu di depan, satu di belakang. Sebelah sini. Nah, oli hidroliknya di sini Ini untuk oli hidroliknya ya. Oli hidroliknya di sini. Jadi kanan kiri bisa naik Kalau lain-lainnya pasti tahu kamu. Sudah kan, itu aja kan. Kamu cuman pengen ngerti letak di mana ngecek oli engine, letak di mana radiator ya. Untuk radiatornya di sebelah kiri ya. Di sebelah kiri. Ini dia tadi ya, di sebelah kiri. Letaknya di sebelah kiri. Loh, dekat radiator juga. Di atas dia ada tutupnya, dibuka ya di sini.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Oke teman-teman ya, cukup sekian video dari saya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share. Sampai jumpa lagi di video saya selanjutnya.